Howdy. It's currently 40 degrees. This is my messy trunk in my car. And I have a package from YouTube. Now, I've already opened it, but I'm gonna open it again for you guys. And also, just be real with you. I got into like this little small YouTube perks. Ooh, that's an ugly nail. I got into like this small YouTube perks thingy where they kind of just give you free stuff. And I got really lucky and they sent me this like YouTube clacker board thing. So I got a clacker swag. I also got that YouTube branded marker. You know, I gotta flex that YouTube branded marker. YouTube themselves gave me a marker. Pretty cool. But really, what I want to talk about is the fact that me, the YouTuber, feels like he became a YouTuber on complete accident. Being a YouTuber has been pretty awesome. I literally get to talk, and a bunch of people get to listen to my stupid voice, and I get to help people. God, I'm just so bad at talking without getting sidetracked. But yeah, I get to help people, and you know, when I get lots of views, it's really cool because it's like, wow, something I made is getting a bunch of views. Oh my God, I'm shivering. A bunch of views, and it's a good feeling. I feel like most YouTubers, you know, they're smart and they look at their analytics and they're like, hey, right now this topic is popular. And, you know, a lot of things are popular in the Roblox community right now, like Grow a Garden, the Forest game, and just a bunch of games, literally any brain rot game. Or like when Souls RNG was popular, I made a video about Souls RNG, but like, I didn't teach people how to make that kind of game because some part of me, maybe it's my soul, feels bad for chasing trends like that. Like, I want to teach you guys useful things, like how to make a cutscene 5 times. I'm not sure what to make. I don't want to teach you guys things that waste your time. I don't want to clickbait you guys. And I like talking to you guys, so I don't want you guys to think that I'm a sellout. So here I sit in my trunk, opening my YouTube box. But yeah, I feel like I became one on accident. I wonder if that's something that people feel. I wonder if other YouTubers are like, hey, I became one on accident too. Because man, you know, I uploaded that first video and I had absolutely no idea that rain tutorial was gonna launch my channel into Roblox tutorial haven. And I love making tutorials. I love teaching. But man, am I bad at following trends. Like, there could literally be a video, a topic blowing up right now, and I will just decide not to make a video on it because I don't want to follow trends. I would genuinely rather make a tutorial about a topic one of you guys asked about versus a topic that millions of people are feeding over. Like Joe Jose in my comments. All he has to do is ask for a menu tutorial, and I'll make that. Even though there's games like Souls RNG are brain rot games, or steal a poop simulator, poops offline. I don't teach anything like that. I teach you guys what you want to know because I feel like that's the right thing to do. At the same time, it's a lot more fun to talk to you guys and make the things that you guys want. And I'm also gonna try to sprinkle some more things I want in there too, because I feel like it'd be pretty cool to just drop another cutscene tutorial. So, summarize this video. A lot of cool things are coming to the channel. I'm never gonna sell out. I've been offered a good amount of sponsorships, but I'm not gonna take them because I feel like sending you guys to some illegal gambling site would not be the cool way to go. But yeah, let me know what you guys wanna see. Like, genuinely. Because I will make videos on all of it. Even if it takes me a million years, I will make your YouTube video. If you want to know how to make a square that rotates and plays loud conga music at 3 a.m. at night, then I will make it. So I don't feel like I'm YouTubing right. I feel like I might be YouTubing backwards. I still very much enjoy it. So yeah, I hope you guys are having a wonderful night, day, evening. Hey, if you're hearing this in your dream somehow, I hope you're having a wonderful dream. And I'll catch you on the flip side. Look forward to future videos. Thank you guys for subscribing to this accidental YouTuber because he does not know what he's doing. Anyway, thank you YouTube for this cool clacker thing. I will definitely use this whenever I need to clack something. And yeah, don't forget to brush your teeth. Bye-bye.